Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to this course Bahasa Inggris Terapan ya, or English for specific purposes, especially for psychology. Ya, I'm your current lecturer. Ya, if you don't know me yet, I will introduce myself. It's my birth profile. My name is Agustinus Haristiawan. I'm majoring in linguistics. And now I'm teaching in English Education Study Program in Universitas Mercu Buana Yogyakarta. In this course, we'll have several basic things. One of them is about what we are going to do during this semester with this online learning. We will mix between the video explanation like this, like the 3 components: material, forum, and quiz. And also sometimes, if it is needed, I will announce that we will have a real-time meeting. It means like a conference meeting, but not in the first day, in this first week. We will have it later on. Okay, so what is this course objective? Like the name, this is your further English course after you did your English 1 or English for basic or general purposes. This is English for specific purposes. We will have an English practice, whether this is listening, speaking, writing, or reading, through psychology topics. So this is topical based. It is one of the ESP, English for specific purposes, in your field, in our field, psychology. So everything in this course will be discussed in English. Sometimes we will mix it in Bahasa. It's okay, because I really appreciate your effort. It is not just score oriented, but it's also process. Later on, how we deal with the meeting every week matters. Your activeness will be influence, will have very beneficial things with your later on achievement. This is our scoring criteria for this class. For attendance and attitude, it means 10%, because nowadays it's important to keep our attitude in our formal meeting. Then the assignment, quiz, and activeness will cost 25%. So during the process, we'll gain 35%. The attendance, including downloading the materials, whether this is PPT or watching the video that already uploaded to you, then doing the assignment or quiz, or even being active in the forum. Remember, in this COVID era, and then based on the learners capability, like the Vygotsky theory, like blowing up the balloon. If we blow it too much, it will boom, something like that. So that's why I will mix the assignment. Sometimes I require you to submit something, to do something, in the real time in that week. But sometimes I'll just give you kind of instruction to read. Just read the material or just watch the video, something like that. So you will not get a very high burden in this course. I hope you enjoy. It started with love, right? In learning something. That's why if you fall in love with this, you can follow the process, you can get a better achievement in the end. And then the mid-exam and the final exam will cost 30 and 35%. For the midterm exams, it will be theoretical things, and then it will be assessed by tests, online tests. But for final exams, It depends on your progress later on, but we make a target with project based. Yeah, so you will make something in the end. So this is the grading for our class. Yeah, using the newest one. So it's hard to get a bad score. I hope you will have all a good score. Amin ya, mohon diaminkan ini. It's for you ya. Okay, then what we are going to do during this semester, started from the first week, we'll have this classroom regulation, the course outline, introduction to psychology, and then sample for project. Then the second week, will deals with the scientific writing. That's why next week still my turn to present this introduction related with the scientific writing, because you need to know about scientific writing in psychology. You will use it in the end of this academic year. You will write the proposal, right? Yeah, you need to know about the English reference. That's why the third, fourth, fifth, sixth will be about journal report. Yeah, and then I will mix it with psycholinguistic before the mid exam. So in the online discussion, you are given the journal previously, and then you will have kind of questions given for discussing that journal report, and finally there will be a feedback. For the mid exam there will be online written test. Then after that we will continue the journal report session till meeting 12. Then after that you need kind of variety for public speaking. That's why we'll go to the psychological cases for 2 meetings. Then in the end, for review, we will have video making project. It will be submitted on the final exam. So one by one, in a glance, I will show you what's the steps for the journal. It is very important. Now you can start it to seek journal about psychology. It can be about local, national, or international journal. Everything about it. Please be familiar with it. Our first topic besok saya berikan ini after the third week, after you are given the introduction to the scientific writing. The journal topic is about maternal mood in pregnancy and child development. The journal deals with the maternal mood. Then after that, you are given the movement constraint on interpersonal coordination and communication. How our movement influence our communication. This is related with psycholinguistic too. I hope you will enjoy. Then it's about education for our childhood. The effects of violent video game habits on adolescent hostility, aggressive behavior, and school performance. This is very hot topic today, because based on our technology, we got also bad influence, and then the effect is not just about the family but also about the school performance. We will discuss this journal. Then next, about single parent family structure, psychological, social, and cognitive development of children in equity state. How about the single parent related with psychological topic here. Next is about parenting attitude and style. This is a very common topic in our field, and its effect on children school achievement. So how the theory about the parenting styles, parenting attitude can make an effect on the children's school achievement. Then the other current phenomenon in our environment is about this conceptualization and treatment of kleptomanian behavior, using cognitive and behavioral strategies. Using this approach, and also those problem about kleptomanian behavior, and then house treatment. Yeah, we will deal with it in one journal later on. The other one is about the journal entitled "Get Excited with Pricing Pre-Performance Anxiety," ya, as excitement. Jadi ini penting juga ya, very beneficial for us to know about the scientific journal related with reappraisal. Nah, reappraisal bisa mengefek ke excitement. Gimana ini nanti ya kita pelajari. Then the last is the fear factor bullying and slip of the tongue, yeah, and students with the disabilities. The fear factor bullying and students with disabilities. Yeah, we'll discuss about it. So about the journal, we'll have kind of discussion. Then about the last psychological cases, you will choose the topic that you master much. Depends on you. And in those two meetings, you can share your understanding in your own video recording. Ya, the language is the first instrument. Jadi tetap kita gunakan instrumen bahasa dan the psychology is our second instrument. Jadi dua hal itu penting. Those two instruments are matters ya in your project later on to find our surrounding problem. Then we create it with presentation. Ya, setelah UTS itu ya. Later on I will explain more in details about it ya. This is just in a glance, brief explanation about your project. Use your surrounding environment case, sample, and extract. Then the indicators, of course, later on, yeah, the audience, including me, or you can upload it in YouTube or something like that. Yeah, the viewer get excited, then of course there will be a kind of response, for example, yeah. Then of course we got something new, something that we can learn, and new things from your topic presentation. Of course, started with the surrounding problem. Then the last, this is for our final examination. I will explain it later after meet. Yeah, you are about to make the video making. It's a must. Jadi nanti kita ada project based, not for final, not for mid exam, but this is for final examination. What is the video making? Ya nanti kita akan jabarkan lebih lanjut ya di pertemuan-pertemuan lain. Okay, that's all about our first meeting. Please get your preparation and enjoy the course. That's for me. Just keep in touch in every week. Yeah, be diligent because progress, effort is important. We are not just robot, right? We appreciate the process. Yeah, the human being. Anything about this class, yeah, about our weaknesses, our friends' strengths. We keep in touch and then we communicate each other to make this class better. And finally, we get beneficial things from English for Psychology atau dalam mata kuliah praktikum ya, bahasa Inggris lanjut ini. Terima kasih. Thank you very much. See you again next week, the next meeting. Goodbye.